Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to clear the app caches in iPhone. Also I wonder why you want to clear the app caches of your iPhone. Maybe your mobile is getting stuck when you're using it, or maybe you're having low space in your mobile phone. Or maybe you think your mobile isn't safe because it has too much cache, so you just want to delete it. Or maybe there's any other reason for you to clear the app caches from your iPhone. So whatever the reason it is, in this video I'll show you how easily you can do that. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description, you can check that as well. First, what you have to do is you have to get your iPhone and then you have to unlock it. And once it get unlocked, now it's time to see that how we can clear the app caches from iPhone. Now we have to go to the settings of iPhone and there we will see how we can clear the cache. There you will see a lot of options and on the top you can see it says settings and every option has its own purpose. But when you scroll down to the bottom there you will see different apps. So here when I opened an app you can see we don't have any option through which we can clear the cache like we do in the Android phones where we go to the settings, open apps and then clear their caches. But in iPhone the case is different. We don't have such options. So for that what we have to do is we either have to download the third party app through which we could clear the app caches. But I think there's a lot of app and we can't use any one of these because we don't know if any one of them will work or not. So for that I have the simplest and easiest way through which you can easily clear the app caches from your mobile phone by just doing the one action. You don't have to go and do multiple stuff to clear the app cache. So the simple thing is that you just have to restart your iPhone. By doing this, all the app caches will automatically get cleared and your mobile will get a lot of space. Now what you have to do is you just have to call the Siri by just saying hey Siri and then command it to restart your mobile phone. Here when I told it to restart it, now it's asking me if I want to restart it or not. So just click on restart. After that the mobile will get shut down and after a few minutes or after a few seconds you could say it will automatically get turned on and then the app caches will be cleared. So this is the simplest way of doing it. Otherwise you have to go to the apps, you have to download the third party app in which it takes a lot of time and actions to clear the app caches. But by doing this you can easily clear the app caches. You must restart your iPhone. By doing this the app caches will be deleted and your mobile proficiency will be increased. So now as you can see the mobile is now turned on again and ready to use. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can clear app caches from your iPhone. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And at the last, thank you for watching the video.